We're ready to launch the device.
Do we have eyes on my brother?
No, ma'am.
Then we're not ready. Come on, Morty. I'm alone.
I was too. Come, if you want to eat. Guess it's been a while since you've had a normal meal.
By normal, you mean the spoon is dirty?
CJ's recipe. He always said the secret ingredient is patience.
Morty, it is time to go. It's almost 9 p.m. back in the real world.
What choice do I have?
We always had choices. Take some ownership. Start the launch.
Launch.
Summer Smith has made phone chargers obsolete!
It's working. I win. The Matrix is obsolete.
How long was I out?
Dad, I think the kids should be allowed to do whatever they want with what you did to their brains.
Want a couple of Matrix crazy adults in child bodies? Good luck with that.
Yes!